Camila here, and today we're gonna do a squat challenge with 5 different exercises. You can do this in your own house. You don't need any bands, any equipment, nothing, okay? This is a very beginner-friendly challenge, but if you wanna have a nice booty fast, you should repeat this challenge every single day because we're not using any weights. So you must push your body a little bit harder, okay?
To avoid hurting your back, you should always tense your ab muscles and keep a good posture. Always remember this when squatting, okay? The first exercise is regular squats, and this is exactly how the movement should be done. Are you guys ready to start? Okay, the second exercise is the Sumo squat, and you should position your legs and feet at 45 degrees. Are you guys ready? Now for sidewalks, it's very simple. Just stay in squatting position and walk 2 steps to the right and 2 to the left. Ready? Now let's do some pulse squats for the extra burn. Just do a regular squat, and at the bottom you should pulse 3 times. Ready? And finally, the last one is eccentric squats. You should count 3 to 5 seconds when you're going down. This squat helps activating all the muscle fibers in your glutes, so you get a better result faster. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I don't know about you guys, but I'm dead. Okay, I hope you liked the video and please subscribe for daily workouts. See ya!